Welcome back guys, and today I have interesting thing to show you. It's an unboxing video from the new MacBook Air 2020 with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Well, it's not new from the year perspective, it's 2021 as you know, but it's new for me and for you, because you are probably thinking, should I buy it now? And we will open it and see what's inside together. Now, let's jump back to the table, open it, and look what's inside. Stay with us. So, welcome back guys. Now we will do the unboxing. Here is my trusty knife, and let's see what's inside. So, it came with this box, all packed up. So, let us open this first. Hoppa, we don't need a knife at all. Ooh, it's looking nice. Look at this. It's amazingly light. It seems that I'm a noob in unboxing MacBook Airs or Apple products, because we have this ribbon that we just have to pull. First protective layer is down. Now let's open the box. Come on. Whoa. That's looking nice. Here is the MacBook. Wow, this is light. What do we have here in the box? We have a charging cable, some paperwork, and charger. There's not a lot of things inside, these two things, and some paperwork. What is MacBook Air? And we have some stickers we want to stick somewhere. That's nice from them, with their rotten apple. So let's back to this bad boy. Hopla. Ooh, this is a fingerprint magnet. Look at it. There will be a lot of wiping out. What? It's already on. Let's see how fast it boots for the first time. And we are welcome to it. So, the first impressions.
Drücke die Eingabetaste, um Deutsch als Standardsprache zu verwenden.
It talks German. Now, it's incredibly light. Fingerprint magnet. And it's fast. Basically, it's another Apple MacBook Pro or Air, but the true difference is inside. So let's set it up now and see the first impressions. So there it is guys, new MacBook Air. For now we are done. There's nothing more to see here. It's a standard Mac OS, but after some testing I will do a full review of this MacBook Air, and stay with us to see that in future. So if you like this video, Please subscribe, share with your friends, and until next time, see ya.